Now, our next awardee in the Social Excellence category is Mr. Laxmikant Deshpande. Mr. Deshpande is an individual whose life's work has restored ecosystems, empowered communities, and advanced India's environmental stewardship in remarkable ways. Over 25 years, his initiatives in biodiversity conservation, ecological restoration, and environmental education have transformed landscapes and mindsets alike. At Tata Motors, he is leading UNDP's OECM initiative, restoring several hundred acres of land, contributing to nurturing over 7.1 lakh community plantations and participating in wetlands and migratory birds conservation. His contributions at Godrej Enterprises Group set national precedents, from creating Asia's first multilingual mangrove mobile app used by over 120 countries to developing India's first mangrove storybook and spearheading citizen movements like Magical Mangroves. Recipient of honors including Maharashtra Vriksh Mitra and Vasundhara Nisarg Mitra, and a member of multiple IUCN expert committees, Laxmikant is recognized as a Darwin Scholar on Biodiversity Monitoring and Education by Field Studies Council, UK. Laxmikant exemplifies how citizen science can protect the nature. May I now request the Dean to kindly come up on the stage and present the award, and please put your hands together for Mr. Laxmikant Deshpande.
Thank you, Dean. I now invite Mr. Laxmikant to address the audience.
I think good afternoon. It's 12, past 12, and you can safely forget whatever you have heard. I was only lucky to be at right time at right place. I am particularly happy to receive this award for one professional reason, that all the previous award winners rightfully have been from social domain, social sector domain, social development. And I'm very happy that SPJIMR has recognized nature, biodiversity and environment as one of the important components of social development. Because I need not talk about climate change. We are all witnessing the effects of climate change. And every country has taken very ambitious targets about nature and biodiversity. For example, we all have taken target of conserving 30% of land and ocean by 2030. Is it practically possible? I mean, every organization has now nature and biodiversity in its ESG portfolio. All the education institutes are talking about nature and nature conservation, but still, I think situation on ground is very different. And I thank SPJIMR for highlighting this important issue in the ESG domain. I'm also personally thankful to SPJIMR because when I did my PGPDM course, I had taken a professional break. I was wondering what to do. I mean, I was at crossroads and I was offered scholarship by SPJIMR for doing PGPDM course. At the same time, I also worked with the office, volunteered for my contribution to the organization. So thanks for actually nurturing me when I needed it most. And the course also gave me a path that environment is not different from social development. While my focus was always on biodiversity and forest, I realized that the community is a very important aspect of it. And the course offered me skills to integrate the social work into the nature and biodiversity. So thank you very much. And I hope that all the faculty members over here, all the organizations over here will continue to conserve biodiversity and take decisions that benefit people, profit, and planet alike. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir.